Hello viewers, I'm gonna do a review and discuss my impression about the Morphe eyebrow kit. Starting with, I'm gonna use the micro brow pencil and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows down and I'm just gonna light it up, and it's very pigmented. If I press it a little bit harder, more pigment come out. And then I'm gonna do the same as well for the bottom, is brush it back up and do another line up. Plus the brush and the spoolie were great. I like the brush because it's so soft. And the eyebrow cream that I'm using is Java. I just fill it in my brows, and this is like a pomade. It's creamy and it's easy to apply. Moving on to the highlighter stick. The one that I got, it's called Oh Baby. It's very creamy and it's very easy to blend, as you can see. Lastly, the translucent eyebrow gel. So that day that I did this video, I wore the whole day and I slept through the night with my eyebrows and it stayed in place, so that's good. The Morphe eyebrow kit is a worthy product. The kit has 5 items for $18. Really like this eyebrow kit, and I suggest everyone should get this. So I appreciate you all watching, and more videos coming soon. Bye!